Hey, so welcome back. We're back with Leigh Ann. We had some leftover dough, and Leigh Ann had this great idea. Let's do some. What do you call them?
Cherry turnovers.
Cherry turnovers. Show them how to make
Okay,
cherry
so this is the
turnovers.
dough, the extra one that we had. This is 1/4 of what we had left over from that half. So what is that, an eighth? So I'm just.
Pretty good. You went to Crow High School.
I went to Crow High. I did. So I'm just kind of rolling them out thin, probably as thin as we did the pie crust a while ago. And then we are going to cheat. We're going to use cherry pie filling. Very, very simple. Just add a little spoonful right to the center. Not too much because you don't want to overfill it.
Oh, y'all go ahead.
And then we're going to just take it
Y'all go ahead.
and we're going to pull it over. And then we're going to pinch all the edges. Make sure you pinch them pretty good because sometimes whenever they're baking, they will open and then your cherry filling will kind of ooze out, which is not a bad thing, but it just makes a mess. Yeah, it'll make a mess. Yeah, parchment always. Even if you're cooking these at home in your oven, okay, and you can see where we're putting them in here, and then Gary's gonna go in there and put some little fork holes in there so that when it bakes, that has some place to kind of come out, and you'll have a little bit of cherry coming out. Okay, so now, and then we're gonna do this.
So that's about how much you would do. What are y'all doing over here?
We're making cherry turnovers.
Oh, that excess.
Yep. And you can also do this with blueberry pie filling. You can do it with pumpkin pie filling. You can do it with anything, whatever you like. I mean, hell, you could have made the little pecan pie turnovers. Whatever. But also, you can do them savory. So, like, you could do like a taco thing. You could do like ground beef. You could do chicken, whatever you like. Same concept because we did not add sugar to the pie crust. You can use this pie crust for anything. You can do a chicken pot pie, anything. This is just a generic pie crust that you can use for anything. You want to do one?
I'm gonna help.
No, you do it.
Yeah, get in there, Gary.
They're very easy to do and they're fun to do.
Enough?
Yeah, I think that's enough. Well, I mean, you could add probably another cherry or two.
Like a soup. Look, yeah, you had me doing it now.
Sorry. Well, that's okay. And you just stretch it around and then start. No, you have to go all the way through.
Hey.
Oh. Okay, never mind. Never mind. You're oozing.
I'm oozing, y'all. That's why I'm getting involved.
Ooh, if they ooze like that, this would be great for Halloween. So it looks kind of bloody.
Welcome to an episode of Cowboy Cooking B-Mac and Leigh Ann. I think we fired Gary. I know, I got it. You got it?
You gotta really roll them.
Oh,
you gotta roll them. It's kind of like an empanada. Whenever, yeah, you can add, like I said, you can add anything in there.
Producer. That's beautiful.
That's gonna be awesome. If I had some ground beef, we'd make some savory ones, but I don't think.
We're gonna get these on the fire. We'll show you what they look like when they're done. All right, folks. So we got pulled off the turnovers, is what we're calling them.
Cherry turnovers.
So we're gonna reveal them and see what they look like. You ready?
Yep. I'm excited. Oh my God, those are beautiful.
This is what we were going for, folks, and we're gonna tell you a little secret. We did at the last minute. We put some egg wash on there just to make it more golden brown. So just a suggestion.
I'm gonna pull one out. Let me get one.
Pull one out. You afraid to use your finger?
I'm afraid to use my fingers because they're probably boiling hot.
Yeah, these are hot. You want to let them cool before you eat them.
Okay.
I noticed you went right for the one I made.
I did. I'm making that center one. You know, everything's better when it comes from the middle. Okay, Can you move that? We're going to cut it open.
I can move that. Yes,
that's hot. Be careful.
That's not.
All right. So, you get a clean knife.
Or a dirty knife if you're clean.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to go with that crack right there.
Is it oozing?
Yes, and it's hot. Oh, no, they turned out perfect.
Well, that's what we're looking for. Remember, this was just an afterthought. Something we just thought we would do. So, you know, as we talk about, nothing we do is really that hard. Try it at home.
It's all about your imagination. Whatever, don't limit yourself. You're only limited by your imagination. So we even talked about how you can make these into breakfast. Like you could do scrambled eggs and bacon and sausage, put them in the middle, and make a little breakfast pocket.